Welcome to one of Sardinia's hidden gems, the enchanting S'Abba Frisca Museum Park. Located in the north of the island, this unique place offers us an intimate perspective on Sardinia's history, traditions, and extraordinary biodiversity. To begin, let me take you on a brief journey through the geography and history of this region. Sardinia, with its incredible variety of landscapes, from its sandy beaches and jagged cliffs, to its imposing mountains and verdant plains, is a land of breathtaking beauty.
Chissà cosa andate vera, mirate chi sta sera, minetta una temporale, gente così zata male, ascoltate saudi mia, su popolo più profondo, l'età.
But it's not just natural beauty that draws visitors from around the world, it's Sardinia's rich history and unique culture that truly set it apart. S'Abba Frisca Museum Park perfectly represents this combination of natural beauty and cultural heritage.
Gustavo puro tesora, estirpare sos abusos, a terra somos los usos, a terra sul dispotismo, guerras egoísmo, e guerra sos opresores, usos tiranos minores, desprezi su humiliare.
The park stretches over a vast area, offering a mosaic of unique ecosystems: Mediterranean scrubland, home oak forests, sparkling streams, and picturesque waterfalls. But natural beauty is just part of what makes S'Abba Frisca so special. This place is also a precious custodian of Sardinia's cultural heritage, a window onto the island's rural past.
Tirannia, chi si no provvida mia, torrade sape in terra, declarate già sa guerra, contrade sa prepotenzia, e comincia sa pazienza, in su popolo a mancare.
Ancient rural constructions, or stasi, dot the landscape, silent testimonies of a time when life was governed by the rhythms of nature and the toil of the earth. Each of these structures tells a story. Through their stone walls, their hearths, and their woolworking tools, we can glimpse a slice of what daily life was like in rural Sardinia. These historical testimonies help us to better understand not only the island's past, but also its enduring traditions and values. The most fascinating element of the park, however, is undoubtedly its network of streams and waterfalls. From here comes the name S'Abba Frisca, which in Sardinian means fresh water. These waters, which spring from the surrounding mountains, have shaped the landscape and fed the park's rich biodiversity. We can't talk about S'Abba Frisca without mentioning the Water Museum, one of the park's highlights. This museum offers an interactive exploration of the role of water in Sardinian history and culture.
Baronessa di Rania, vicino provvida mia, torna della penterra, declara de esa guerra, contra de esa prepotencia, e comienza esa paciencia, in su populo mancare, procura de moderare, baronessa di Rania.
From irrigating fields to power production, from providing drinking water to creating habitats for wildlife, water has shaped life in Sardinia in many ways. Before we conclude our tour, I invite you to stop by the park's shop.
Baronessa di Rania, chi sino provvida mia, torra de esa penterra, declara de esa guerra, contra de esa prepotencia, e comienza esa paciencia, in su popula mancare.
This store offers a selection of local products, all made according to ancient Sardinian traditions. Whether it's locally produced honey, traditionally aged cheeses, or wines made from native grapes, these products are a reflection of the richness of Sardinian culinary culture. As you've seen, S'Abba Frisca Museum Park is much more than just a park. It's a place where history, culture, and nature come together in a harmonious ballet. It's a place that invites discovery, contemplation, and above all, appreciation of Sardinia's extraordinary richness and diversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We look forward to seeing you at S'Abba Frisca Museum Park to discover together the other wonders this unique place has to offer.
Su popula mancare.